Hey guys, welcome to Renmin. Tyler Killgore here, and I have a review for you today. I have the Teamwolf Zhuque Plus mechanical keyboard. This keyboard's $50 on Amazon, 2-day shipping with Prime, obviously, and comes with Automu Blue switches. They are LED compatible, like their cherry brethren. They click. 60 grams of activation pressure, nothing big, nothing special. Your normal knockoff blue switch will come in the majority of your mechanical keyboards that are not cherry. So, why'd I get this? Well, first off, it does have aluminum construction. Backplate's aluminum. Has some flip-out feet that you normally don't see on keyboards at this price, but it does not have a removable cable, sadly, but I'm sure you could solder up something if you really needed it. It has 7 different lighting effects. You can't tell right here because my light is drowning out the light, but I figure it's more important for you to see than to exactly see the lighting effects. But each row is a different color. Like this one is purple, this one is blue, this one is red, this one is green. No, this is clear, this one's green. Anyways, but so each row is a different color. It's not full RGB. $50. That's just my response to that. So, the keycaps are double shot. So, ABS. I mean, they're kind of tinny sounding, but they aren't terrible. So, why'd I get this? There's knockoff blue switch keyboards for $40. Why get one that's $50? Well, because this one has Gateron green switches in it. Well, how did I do that? They come with this special puller. This side's your standard keycap puller. This side is a switch puller. And you can go in, take that switch by each end, and pop it out. Kind of like that. Then when you're done, you just pop it back in without the keycap puller on it. And I now have a right arrow key again. So, it has Gateron green switches in it. What are Gateron green switches? Well, they're like your blue, your 60 gram activation blue, except these are 100 gram. So, it just makes your typing experience a little bit heavier. I have a tendency to accidentally hit keys a lot, so this is helpful for me, because I don't slide my hand as much. You have to be a little bit more deliberate with the key press in order to get it to register. Which, I like, some people won't. Your choice. So, obviously, $50. They do include some sample switches. They include a blue, which are already installed generally. They include a linear red, a tactile brown, and then a little bit heavier linear black. Excuse me. So, it gives you the options. I'm guessing that Automu wants you to buy them from them. I got Gateron from Massdrop. These were $31 for all the switches that are in here, a little bit less, but they come in a 120 pack. So, and this is an 87 key keyboard, obviously. There's no numpad on it. Would be one of my biggest gripes is the lack of numpad. But this is marketed as a gaming keyboard, and gamers don't use numpads. I use it a lot for typing. As I am a university student, I do spend a lot of time typing. So, let me give you guys a little bit of a demonstration on the sound. And I can't really get this camera off of my beautiful face. So just listen and see if it's something that you guys would like. Nope. Alright, so there you guys have it. That was a little typing demonstration. It is loud. If you have a roommate, maybe not get something that's this loud. You can put a whole bunch of different switches in it. Eventually, I would like to find some Zelios at a decent price to put in it, because I've heard those are really good. Or some clears. Some MX clears, but I'm watching and waiting. So, $50 is not perfect. Obviously, the lack of RBG or one solid color really does annoy me. If you do not get LED compatible switches to put on it, your LEDs will not be very bright, but again, the backlit is more for me, for night, and I don't like the keyboard to overpower my monitor. Also, I don't have my monitor set very bright in the night anyways, so I don't like a lot of bright light at night. I'm trying to fall asleep eventually. It works for me. The heavy switches, if you're not used to them, will be fatiguing eventually. I have not noticed a fatigue issue, but I have sausage fingers, so take that with a grain of salt. The lack of a removable cable is my other issue with it, and no cable routing, so it's kind of hard to keep it looking nice, but it's a functional keyboard for $50. This version is $80 because I have the grains in it. I like it. I'd recommend it to you guys. It's a good starter mechanical keyboard, because if you want to try different switches, you don't have to buy the entire keyboard again. You just have to buy the switches. So, well, I'd like to end this saying I was not sponsored. I did not get anything for it. If someone wants to, I won't be mad. I'll mention it. I won't be mad. So thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe if you like this. That's all I got to say. See you guys next time.